Hello everyone, welcome to my Gulf Tech channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make bootable USB drive to macOS. Open the App Store and here you can search the latest macOS, which is now I am going to install Ventura. So I already downloaded, so that's why it's showing view. Go to Finder, Applications. Here as you can see the install macOS Ventura. Now close it everything. Go to Finder, Application, Utilities and open this terminal. In this terminal type sudo space sudo space, then open the Finder and go to Application and right click on this install macOS Ventura, show package contents and double tap this contents and resources. Here you can see the installation media. Just drag and drop this icon, so it's automatically return the installation command and double dash volume VOLUME space then go to folder backslash type volumes and hit enter. Here you don't see any. These are the drives which is showing. Now I am going to connect my external USB-C type drive. So now it's automatically detected here ESD USB. So click and drag and drop this USB to this terminal command and it requires the password of the Mac, so which I am going to enter. Before it asks you to continue, so tap Y to continue. Before that you should not have any content on this USB drive, so because it will erase everything. Now it's going to erase, then it asks you the access for this USB. Tap OK. Now in this time it's going to making this USB drive as bootable, so it takes some time. 8 to 10 minutes it will take the time to create a bootable disk. It increasing the percentages, copying to disk. Now this is the final step. Once it's done, you will receive a message like install media now available at in this path. So that means the bootable device is ready at that path. So open the USB drive and as you can see the installation is successfully, it's made a bootable now. Now eject and remove the pen drive. Thank you for watching Gulf Tech channel.